Question number 1. Which of the following proposals that lead to the establishment of the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, एटम्स फॉर पीस proposal. Atoms for Peace initiative was a program proposed by US President Dwight D. Eisenhower in 1953 to promote the peaceful applications of nuclear technology. The initiative aimed to shift the focus from nuclear weapons to using nuclear power for civilian purposes like medicine, agriculture, and energy. It also led to the establishment of the International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA) in 1957, which works to promote the safe, secure, and peaceful use of nuclear technology. तो न्यूक्लियर्स को इंसान को मारने के लिए नहीं है, लेकिन बल्कि इंसान का मदद के लिए यूज़ करना है, ये प्रपोज किया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. अरुणाचल प्रदेश शेयर इट्स बॉर्डर विद भूटान इन विच डायरेक्शन? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, वेस्ट. यहाँ में देख सकते हैं वेस्ट में, यहाँ में ईस्ट में अरुणाचल है और वेस्ट में भूटान है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. In which year was the Pake Tiger Reserve initially declared as Game Sanctuary? तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, 1977. हमें हिस्ट्री दिखा देगा पाके वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का. The Pake Tiger and Wildlife Sanctuary was first established as the Pakhui Sanctuary on 1st July 1966 and later declared as the Game Sanctuary on 28 March 1977. It was renamed Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary in 2001 under the National Tiger Conservation Authority Project Tiger. On April 23, 2002, the Pake Tiger Sanctuary became the 26th sanctuary in the country. 26th Tiger Sanctuary in the country. Question number 4. Which company became fourth Maharatna company among central policy sector enterprises in India in 2004? तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड. List of Maharatna and Navratna companies in India in 2024. The government of India has granted Hindustan Aeronautic Limited HAL the prestigious Maharatna designation, making it the 14th central public sector enterprises to do so. Question number 5. To which country was the first GI tag fig juice of India exported? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, पोलैंड. India first GI tag fig juice exported to Poland. India has made a breakthrough by exporting its first GI tag fig juice to Poland. This follows a successful export of commercial quantities of Purandar figs to Hong Kong, showcasing the potentials of Indian agricultural product in global markets. Question number 6. Which of the following is a microblogging platform and social networking website founded by David Karp? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, थम्बलर. The microblogging platform and social networking website founded by David Karp. Tumblr is a platform where users can post short form blog entries with text, images, videos, and more, and follow other users. Question number 7. The Air Force Administrative College is located in which of the following cities? ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी, ऑप्शन डी. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, कोयम्बतूर. एयरफोर्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कॉलेज कोयम्बतूर, तमिलनाडु, जो कि तमिलनाडु में है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. INS विक्रमादित्य was originally commissioned into the navy of which country? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, रशिया. ये हम लोग का INS विक्रांत है. INS विक्रमादित्य was originally commissioned into the Russian Navy, where it was known as Admiral Gorshkov. It was later purchased by India and inducted into the Indian Navy after undergoing significant refits. The ship was officially commissioned into the Indian Navy in November 2013. तो ये INS विक्रांत का वजह से ही बांग्लादेश को आज़ादी मिला है पाकिस्तान से, जो इंडिया हेल्प किया था. Question number 9. In which of the following year was World Bank created? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 1944. The World Bank was established in 1944 to help rebuild Europe and Japan after World War II. Its official name was the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD). When it first began operation in 1946, it had 38 members. Today, most of the countries in the world are members. तो इसका हेडक्वार्टर्स है वाशिंगटन DC, यूनाइटेड स्टेट में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. The World Trade Organization was set up in 1995 as the successor to which of the following? इसका ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी द जनरल एग्रीमेंट ऑन ट्रेड एंड तारिफ्स गाट. यहाँ में देख लो, द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन was set up in 1995 as a successor to the general agreement on tariff and trade. तो ये क्यों हुआ था? The WTO was established to replace the GATT as the primary international organization regulating trade. Question number 11. The existence of structural inequalities between groups in society is referred to as. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी सोशल स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन. एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लो. Social stratification refers to the structural inequalities that exist between groups in society, where these groups are ranked based on factors like wealth, power, education, and social status. It's essentially a hierarchical system where some groups have more advantages and opportunities than others. Question number 12. Which of the following terms describe the applications of one's own cultural values in evaluating the behavior and belief of people from other cultures? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी इनोसेंट्रिज्म. इनोसेंट्रिज्म का मतलब है इनोसेंट्रिज्म refers to the tendency to judge other culture based on the standard and value of one's own culture, often leading to the belief that one culture is superior. मतलब खुद का कल्चर्स को सुपेरियर मानना और दूसरा लोग का लो मानना, उसको बोलता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. इन विच रेलवे जोन वाज द रेल रक्षक दल इंट्रोड्यूस एज अ पायलट प्रोजेक्ट ऑन September 2024? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रेलवे जोन. रेलवे लॉन्च रेल रक्षक दल इन नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न जोन फॉर क्विक रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन. तो यहाँ में लिखा हुआ है इंडियन रेलवेज हैज़ लॉन्च ए पायलट प्रोजेक्ट called Rail Rakshak Dal in the Northwestern Railway Zone to promptly respond to train accident and conduct rescue operation. Question number 14. What was the theme of the 8 India Ideas Conclave 2024? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी बिल्डिंग ब्रांड भारत इमेजिनिंग इंडियाज डिकेड. The 8 India Ideas Conclave 2024 was theme India Brand Bharat, Imagining Ideas Decade. Question number 15. Where was India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra inaugurated? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी मॉरिशस. First overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra. India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra was inaugurated in Mauritius. This event highlights the strong bilateral cooperation in the health sector between India and Mauritius. The Jan Aushadhi Kendra aims to provide affordable generic medicines to enhance public healthcare in Mauritius. Question number 16. How many Rajya Sabha seats are allocated to the states of Bihar? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 16. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament of India. Bihar state elects 16 members since 2002. 2002 से है ये. Question number 17. In which place of India is the famous Pushkar fair organized? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी जयपुर. Pushkar Mela, India, the largest camel fair in the world. The Pushkar Mela fair is organized in the town of Pushkar, Rajasthan, India. It is a large annual camel and livestock fair, also known as Pushkar Camel Fair of Mela. The fair typically takes place in the month of October or November. Question number 18. Longitude that goes across the Greenwich Observatory is called. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी द प्राइम मेरिडियन. The longitude that passes through the Greenwich Observatory is called the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. It is designated as 0° longitude and serve as a reference point for measuring longitude both east and west. Question number 19. Tropical cyclone is Australia. In Australia is known as. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी विल्ली विल्ली. In Australia, a tropical cyclone is simply known as a tropical cyclone Willy, while they may also be referred to as a Willy Willies in some part of northern Australia. Question number 20. The Yellow Revolution in India is primarily associated with the increased productions of which of the following? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी oil seeds. Question number 21. In which state the Sila Tunnel project located? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी अरुणाचल प्रदेश जो वेस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द चोला डायनेस्टी? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी विजयालया. Vijayalaya, the founder, during a war between Pandyas and Pallavas, Vijayalaya rose out of obscurity and captured the Tanjavur in South India and laid the foundations of the Chola Empire. He ruled over Tanjavur to the north of the river Kaveri. Question number 23. The procedures for the constitutional amendment in the Indian Constitution was primarily adopted from the constitutions of which country? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी साउथ अफ्रीका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर द फंडामेंटल राइट्स डिस्क्राइब्ड? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी पार्ट 3 ऑफ आर्टिकल्स 12. The fundamental rights are described in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, specifically in Article 12. Question number 25. Under which of the following constitutions can the President of India proclaim a national emergency according to Article 352 of the Constitution? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी war, external aggression or armed rebellion within the country.